Penguins are fascinating creatures, perfectly adapted to their icy homes. Did you know they can dive over 1,800 feet in search of food? That's like diving down the height of a 60-story building. They're also social animals, often living in colonies that can number in the thousands. Their unique tuxedo-like appearance isn't just for show. It helps them camouflage from predators while swimming. And here's a fun fact. Emperor penguins are the only species that breed during the harsh Antarctic winter, with males enduring freezing temperatures to keep their eggs warm. Penguins truly are remarkable survivors in one of the planet's most extreme environments.